Today, we're going to show you two amazing and unique ways to use leftover ginger peels and squeezed ginger pulp in your garden. Many people just throw them in the compost pile, and that's totally fine. But if you're looking to do something more useful and effective, then keep watching, because these two methods might surprise you. After extracting the juice from ginger, we're left with a good amount of pulp and peels. Instead of throwing it away or just letting it rot somewhere, we can use this leftover to make a multi-purpose liquid that benefits your garden in two different ways. To start, take a clean bucket and fill it with about 5 liters of warm water. The water doesn't have to be boiling, just warm enough to help draw out the remaining natural oils and nutrients from the ginger. Now take around 400 grams of leftover ginger peels and squeezed pulp and put them in the bucket. Mix everything well with a stick or gloved hands, and then cover the bucket with a lid. Let this sit for 24 hours. During this time, the ginger will release its natural compounds into the water. After 1 day, open the lid and give it a good mix again. You'll notice the water has a slightly yellow or light brown tint and might even have a gentle ginger smell. This means the beneficial elements have infused into the water. Now strain the mixture using a fine cloth or a strainer. Separate the liquid from the solids. Don't throw the solids away. You can still add those to your compost pile because they're now softer and even more broken down, which will help them decompose faster. Now that you have the liquid, you can use it in two different ways. Take the strained liquid and add about 5 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid soap into it. Make sure to use a mild soap that doesn't have harmful chemicals. Mix it well until the soap is fully blended into the liquid. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle and you're ready to go. Spray this on your plant leaves, especially on the undersides where insects usually hide. This spray is not strong enough to kill all insects, but it will confuse them and keep them away. The smell of ginger is strong enough to make your plants less attractive to many pests, like aphids and ants. This method works best when you apply it in the early morning or evening, avoiding the hottest time of the day. Use it once or twice a week as a protective measure, not just when you see pests. We can also use this ginger water as a mild liquid fertilizer for our plants. Ginger contains nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and natural oils that can benefit plant growth in small amounts. Because the leftover pulp has already been soaked in warm water, it releases gentle nutrients that are safe for most plants. Take this strained liquid and pour it directly into the soil around your plants. You don't need to dilute it further as it's already mild. Use about ½ liter for medium-sized plants and a little more for bigger plants like tomatoes or eggplants. Avoid pouring it on tiny seedlings or very sensitive plants, just to be safe. This ginger water will not only feed the soil, but also slightly boost the plant's immune response due to its natural compounds. It can help keep the roots healthy and promote better growth over time. You might not see immediate results, but with repeated use once every 2 weeks, you'll notice that your plants look healthier and more vibrant. If your soil has poor drainage, reduce the frequency so it doesn't stay too wet. One extra tip: if you have flowering plants, this ginger water can sometimes help promote blooming by energizing the plant from the root zone. So next time you juice ginger or use it in cooking and have leftovers, don't throw them away. You now know 2 very effective and natural ways to use it in your garden. Whether you want to deter pests or gently feed your plants, this method costs you nothing and gives back a lot. Plus, you're recycling kitchen waste in a smart and eco-friendly way. For more videos like this, including homemade fertilizers, natural sprays, and garden hacks, don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. Like, share, and most importantly, subscribe so you never miss any update.